How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet 2025 cash out to bank account. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Phantom Wallet and how you're going to be going ahead and withdrawing money from it straight to your bank account. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be entering ourselves into our Phantom Wallet. And once you're over here, if you have some type of crypto or stock in your Phantom Wallet, how are you going to go ahead and withdraw it to your bank account? So, first of all, what you can do is whatever money that you have over here, what you will do is you can either send it to a proper, blockchain provider that you have. Okay. So here you can see you have all of your wallet addresses. Now, what you can do is you can simply send it in the form of any crypto. So let's say we have Ethereum, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add a recipient address, okay? So the recipient address can either be someone directly on Phantom Wallet, or what you can do is you can add the wallet address for a separate blockchain exchange, okay? So let's say I add my wallet address for Binance, okay? So I can directly send it to Binance, and what happens from there is you can simply withdraw it to your bank account from Binance. Now, when it comes to withdrawing it directly from your basic Phantom wallet, what you do is basically right down here. You can simply go ahead, choose whatever cryptocurrency you have over here, and you can also, as I told you, go in the settings, make sure that all of your connected apps are integrated well within your cryptocurrencies. And once you've done all of that, simply go ahead, add whatever address you have on a separate blockchain. Like, let's say we have Binance, we have any other wallet like Trust Wallet, we have MetaMask Wallet, we have Procoin. So any of those blockchain exchanges that you have an account on, simply go ahead, send it out to that blockchain by adding that blockchain's address. And once that happens, what happens from there is your crypto goes over to that account and you can simply withdraw it from there, because the issue is that on Phantom Wallet you cannot directly add your bank or credit card to withdraw it to. So you do have to send it to another provider to add it on from there. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.